Seluruh penduduk kota ini berbicara tentang Barbara dan tentang usaha yang dilaksanakan untuk mengirimnya ke Pacific Games. Sekarang, coba dengarkan percakapan antara dua orang wanita ketika mereka bertemu di jalan.
Hello, Mrs. Brown. I haven't seen you for a couple of weeks. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. As a matter of fact, I've been staying in Melbourne with my daughter. I love Melbourne, but it's good to be back.
I suppose you've heard the news about Barbara?
Yes, I have. As a matter of fact, I read all about her in the Melbourne papers. Everyone there is very interested in her.
Really?
Well, yes. She's the only person going to the games from Victoria, you know.
Oh, I didn't know that. We're very lucky to have Barbara in Newell. And we've almost got enough money to send her to the games. We've had lots of parties and barbecues and competitions to get money for her. And we all saw her run one day at the school. She's fantastic. I've never seen anyone run so fast. Oh, it's marvellous for the school and for the town.
Ya, semua orang berbicara tentang Barbara dan membantu mengusahakan dana untuk mengirimnya ke Pacific Games. Dan sementara itu, Barbara sedang mencurahkan seluruh waktunya untuk berlatih. Tetapi karena saat ini sekolah sedang libur, maka pelajarannya tidak terpengaruh. Mari kita temui Barbara lagi pada pesta perpisahan yang diadakan untuknya. Saat ini dia berada di kamarnya bersiap-siap untuk berangkat ke pesta, dan ibunya sedang berbicara kepadanya.
Gosh, I'm nervous. This is worse than a race.
Everything will be all right, I'm sure.
Do you think they want me to make a speech?
Yes, I think they will. Just thank everyone for what they've done. You look very nice. We must leave soon. The mayor wants you to be there early.
Saudara pendengar, pesta perpisahan itu merupakan sukses besar. Pesta itu diadakan di Taman Kota Newell, supaya segenap penduduknya dapat hadir, dan memang mereka semua datang. Dan alangkah gembiranya mereka. Mereka berdansa dan bernyanyi, dan tentu saja juga menikmati makanan yang cukup banyak. Selama pesta tersebut juga diberikan beberapa sambutan, dan yang pertama dari Bapak Wali Kota. Mari kita dengarkan bagian penutup dari pidatonya.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, I think we can all be proud. We're proud of Barbara. We're proud because we've raised the money to send her to the games. Barbara belongs to this town, and we all love her. She's the best runner here in Newell. She's the best runner in Victoria. I think she's the best runner in Australia. Hey! And so, Barbara, good luck from all of us.
Thank you, Mr. Richards. Oh, thank you, everyone. I'm very, very grateful to you all. I want to thank my parents, too. They've been very good to me. And Mr. Hayes. He's the best coach in the world. I want to tell him this. I'm going to run as fast as I can, and
you're going to win!
Yes!
You're going to win!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Saudara pendengar, sebenarnya cerita ini belum selesai sampai di sini saja. Barbara pergi ke Pacific Games beserta ibunya dan Jim Hayes. Dia mengambil bagian dalam 2 perlombaan dan memenangkan keduanya dengan memecahkan rekor untuk lari 100 meter. Mereka pergi selama 2 minggu saja, dan ketika mereka kembali, diadakan pawai besar-besaran di sepanjang jalan-jalan di kota Newell. Barbara, ibunya, dan Jim Hayes ikut serta dalam satu mobil. Coba dengarkan.
Well, Barbara, it seems a long time ago, doesn't it? Do you remember the day you came home from school? The day you won your first race?
Yes, I remember. You weren't very interested. You offered me a glass of milk and a biscuit.
Yes, I remember. Well, soon you'll go back to school and you'll work hard and pass your
Oh,
exams.
Mum, I can't think of things like that today. Listen to the crowd.
Anyway, Mrs. Baxter, I want Barbara to continue her training. The Olympic Games are in 2 years' time. I'm sure Barbara will get in the team.
Dan dengan ini pula kami minta diri. Kami harap saudara-saudara telah menikmati cerita tadi tentang seorang atlet yang membuat sebuah kota kecil di negara bagian Victoria terkenal. Jangan lupa mempelajari bagian pertama dari pelajaran berikutnya, yakni nomor 66, sebelum siaran yang akan datang. Dan sekarang saya ucapkan goodbye listeners.